So we're going to go over number 12, and we're going to do this using the same dimensional analysis method that we've been using up to this point. And the important part about using dimensional analysis, you guys know, is identifying your starting amount and ending amount. So 13 grams, and it's also going to be, what are we trying to solve for? We want to solve for the volume of the gas. That's what it's asking for, volume of the gas. All right, when you do these problems, you want that mole map that we were talking about in class. Whoever used that mole map on these kind of problems, raise your hand. All right, a couple people. It's really useful. You want to copy the mole map. I'm going to make a really simple one here. Moles, grams, particles, liters of a gas, and then the connections between these things. This one's molar mass, so I'm writing mm for molar mass. This is Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So I'm writing A for Avogadro's number. And then this is 22.4 liters, which is the molar volume. All right, so this particular problem right here, we're going between grams and volume. And the way to do that is you start at grams and you go to volume, liters. So that means we're going to need to use the molar mass. If we've just used the molar mass and nothing else, we'll end up in moles. If in doubt, roll it out. Thank you. All right, but then we have to keep going, and we have to use 22.4 liters so we get the answer, right? So those are the two numbers we need. We don't need to use 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. It's not relevant to this problem. The problem doesn't include particles. So now we're going to go, and we're going to do 13 grams as a starting amount, because that was the starting amount in the problem. All right. We need the molar mass. Well, the molar mass of acetylene, which by the way is welding torch gas, this is the stuff that burns really hot. We just got to do 12 times 2 plus 1, that's from the periodic table, times 2. All that's from the periodic table, and we got 26 grams. So 26 grams goes on the bottom because you got to cancel grams. And it's the molar mass, that's why 1 mole goes on the top. Molar mass means mass of 1 mole. Grams cancels grams. If we stopped here, we'd be in moles. If the problem asked us for moles, we'd be done. But we got to go one more step to get the answer. We got to go to liters because it's asking us for volume. So now we need to use 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters goes in the numerator. 1 mole goes in the denominator. Moles cancels moles. All right. To do the math out now. Go. Mr. Paul apologizes for interrupting our video. We're going to now go and solve this all out. All right, the numbers that are in this problem, we're going to multiply across the top, we're going to multiply across the bottom, we're going to divide. It's 13 times 22.4 divided by 26. So I don't know what this all is, but I do know what the final answer is, so I'm just going to write that. It's 11.2 liters. And that's the final answer.